Tanang sumangat itong harito. Laban pinilabang so press meet lagi joint press meet lang. Ladap itu KFA dulu. President Patrak Inti Samo. Laban ke KSYC dulu General Secretary Jiwan P. Laban ke Kuya Vice President. Laban ke Kaya dulu. GS dulu. Dan ini untuk JACAS KSYK dulu bu Pherangke Samo, Inti Samo, dan kasi alam mang kela tumi alam lo mukro lo incident alam aphuthak lo kasi press kala pasang hello, we are deeply saddened by the news that Vidasing Lekhe, a home guard, has been killed in an illegal loggers provoked incident at Mukro under Jirikindeng police station in West Karbi Anglong, Assam on 22nd November 2020. We pray for the eternal peace of his soul and pay our heartfelt condolences to the very family. As appeared in a section of the press, a team of forest protection personnel on duty intercepted illegally transporting logs from reserve forest in Karbi Anglong, Assam to Meghalaya and arrested 3 illegal loggers. The team of forest and police personnel who went to confiscate the truck and the logs were attacked, and the police resorted to firing in self-defense in which 6 persons including Vidasing Lekhe had lost their lives in the firing alone. We strongly condemn the vested interest groups of persons who provoked the attack upon the forest and police personnel. We demand a high-level and proper investigation into the incident. Also, we demand deployment of security personnel along the interstate border for the safety and security of government officials, employees, detailed for protection of forest reserve forest, and the police personnel posted for maintaining law and order. We appeal all members of Karbi, Khasi, and Jaintia community living in areas along the border to exercise restraint and to maintain peace and communal harmony. Ladap ka nilitung ke duntugang tung manggalahin lo. As a section of the press, the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Sharma, has promptly taken action with immediate effect. We appreciate that, but that's not enough. Along the interstate border for the safety and security of government officials and employees, detailed for protection of forest reserve forest, and the police personnel posted for maintaining law and order. We appeal all members of Karbi, Khasi, and Jaintia community living in areas along the border to exercise restraint and to maintain peace and communal harmony. Ladap ka nilitung ke duntugang tung manggalahin lo. As a section of the press, the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Sharma, has promptly taken action with immediate effect. We appreciate that, but that's not enough. The government should apprise the central government. The state government of Assam should apprise the central government to investigate into the incident and book the culprits involved in the illegal logging which is going on unrestrained. So, ako sini tumalang itu pada juru tulo lapen ke pagulungan puji. Ini tu Chief Minister, ini tu CM atau si tame are CM, EM, to our knowledge is camping in New Delhi. So they should also apprise the government of India about the situation prevailing in so that any untoward incident could be avoided and law and order is maintained and peace, law and order and peace is maintained along the border. Kasi ilitum Karbi arada tum si tame Popiloma ladak ke ni ngabang asap cekang cenang ko karbi buda belo kasi penara kunci kami ni cekang nangko karena ladak aprak teng kedurat peti kansining bunga cuning rilo. Lapen labang ke karbo ke karbi khasi ko alang kali lagi karbo bangke la tengki ke jonggo tung si karbo kasi alang litu ngapan sila tengki ke jonggo tung ngapan bangsi punya jasmet peti action and import the government of Assam lapen ke government of Meghalaya because the illegal loggers are responsible for the situation there. Kasi normal ke nil tumanat pen ke lapanan ko